In this video, I'm going to discuss few fundamental of physics, the three law of motion. First law, an object at rest stay at rest, and an object in motion stay in motion with the same speed and direction unless acted on by an unbalanced force. Newton's second law, an object's acceleration is directly proportional to the net force acting on it and inversely proportional to the mass of the object. Newton's third law, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. A force of 300 Newton is applied across a 20 kg box. The frictional force acting on the box is 200 Newton. A. Calculate the acceleration of the box. B. How far will be the box travel after 12 seconds if it continues to accelerate at the rate starting from rest? So, let's start. So we have applied force of 300 Newton. 300 Newton. And ang frictional force natin dito ay 200 Newton. So ang ating net force is in this direction. Ang net force po ay the difference between the two forces. So ang net force natin ay 100 Newton. So only once na you have a net force, you can use the equation F force times ma. So ang acceleration natin dito ay A over net force na 100 Newton over the mass of the box na 20 kg. So the acceleration natin ay 5 meter per second squared. And question number 2, B. How far will the box travel after 12 seconds if it continues to accelerate at this rate starting from rest? So, ang initial velocity natin ay 0 dahil ito ay start from rest. Then, ang time natin ay 12 seconds. So, and the acceleration natin ay ito 5 meter per second squared. So, given ang initial velocity, time, and acceleration, so ang gagamitin nating equation is distance or VOT plus 1/2 80 squared. So because ating goal ay mahanap yung distance na tinravel, so we're looking for distance. D equals initial velocity na 0 plus 1/2. Ating acceleration ay 5 at ating time ay 12 seconds squared. So ating distance ay 360 meter. This is the final answer. Problem 2. A 8 kg object up from 20 meter per second to 50 meter per second in 6 seconds. What is the acceleration? B. What is the net horizontal forcing acting on the object? C. If the frictional force is 35 Newton, what is the applied force on the object? So, letter A. What is the acceleration? So, meron tayong ditong initial velocity and final velocity. So, ang equation na pwede natin gamitin dyan ay A equals Vf minus VO. over time. So, ang final velocity natin dyan ay 50 meter per second minus 20 meter per second over 6 seconds minus 20 over 6 equals 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. So, ito ang ating sagot sa meter A. Then B. What is the net horizontal force acting on the object? So, ang formula natin dyan ay force equals to mass times acceleration. So, ang mass natin dyan ay 8 kilogram. 8 kilogram times ang acceleration natin ay 5 meter per second squared. So, 5. So, 8 times 5 equals 40 Newton. 40 Newton. Ito ang ating force. So, C. Letter C. If the frictional force 35 Newton, what is the applied force of the object? So, let's go. Meron tayong frictional force na so, dito ang frictional force natin na 35 Newton. Then, ang ating force ay applied is 40 Newton. So, ang gagawin po natin dito ay ipag-add to para makuha natin yung applied force on the object po. Kaya, so, 35 plus 40 equals 75 Newton. So, ang answer natin ay 75 Newton. Problem 3. A baseball is thrown straight upward and it rises to a height of 45 meters. What speed was it thrown? So, it's yung ang ball is thrown daw po ay straight upward. So, upward. And it rises to a height na 45 meters. So, ang height na ay 45 meter. So, ang final velocity niya ay 0. And then, walang binigay na initial velocity. So, ang V natin dito ay equation. So, pwede natin equation na pwedeng gamitin dito ay Vf squared equals Vi squared plus Py. So, ang Vf squared natin 0 ay 0 times equals Vi squared plus negative 9.81 times 45. So, ang answer natin dito ay 29.714 meter per second. This is the speed was it thrown.